Dominique, get over here. Dominique, what?
Marty, man!
If you don't think Cleveland is the best team in the NBA, you out of your mind. You know what I'm saying?
Nipples.
It ain't about sleeping. This season, they got the best player in the league. Oh, this season. What did LeBron say, though? What did LeBron say? LeBron said Kevin Garnett got the scoring title. He said, I can get the scoring title every year. He said, that's not what it's about.